Yeah, we actually developed a tool within the one session. It actually worked pretty well. I really like that one. That one was an EEG waveform simulator, and it actually can essentially you can select an EEG state, and it will generate the waveform for you. It's looking at just 4 different parameters: frequency, amplitude, noise level, and spike interval. So for most of the EEG states there is... Yeah, we'll leave that one as is. Yes, that. Okay, we're still using it. So we would like to develop a web application in JavaScript that transcribes speech. We would like to make sure that transcription is high quality. We would like to have a chart that shows volume and speech rate. We would like the chart to update as we speak. We would like some metrics to be displayed below the chart, like maximum volume and maximum speech rate. And we also want an indicator if the transcriber is actually working or not, so the status of the transcriber. We would like everything in one HTML file. So the HTML should include all the necessary JavaScript code or script, whatever it's called. And let's see. Don't know if it will open. Okay, it's actually opening a canvas. It is opening a canvas. Is it better than what we have? Okay, there's a couple of problems. We would like it to keep transcribing instead of deleting. Yeah, currently it's just deleting what we're saying. Okay, currently it's just deleting everything we say and starting a new sentence every time on the screen. We would like to transcribe continuously. This is just repeating the same thing over and over again. No good. Okay, let's try fix bugs in it. It must be a bug. That's not cool. No, it's still doing that thing. Now we need to review. Let's do a code review. Okay, left the suggestions. A limit of 400 bars for the volume chart might need to be configurable. I'm not sure about that. In text for concatenation may cause performance issues. I mean, it did a pretty good job. I like how quick it is as well. Okay, all the suggestions sound good. We would like to add an automated scroller as well for the text box. So it's by default stuck to the bottom, to the last spoken sentence. Yeah, the chart could be improved as well. Instead of keep adding to it, we would like a sliding window, say for the last minute. So we only want 1 minute to be displayed in the chart. We also want to make it clearer as to what is it being displayed in the chart. And I was thinking the volume and the speech rate as separate waveforms displayed in the chart canvas would be great. There was something weird with Yes, the chat is a bit weird. Okay, does it actually work? Okay, we need to fix bugs. Every time you update something, it's introducing bugs, but then it seems to be able to fix them. So it's okay, just annoying, not clear why is it introducing bugs to begin with.